You don't need to go extreme to achieve your weight loss goals, like living off nothing but carrots and cucumbers. Hey, those veggies are healthy, but this kind of all or nothing approach can actually set you up for failure. Instead of extremes, focus on balance. Healthy eating isn't about deprivation. It's about making sustainable choices that you enjoy. Add those carrots and cucumbers to a deliciously balanced meal. Think crunchy salads, lean proteins, and healthy fat. You can indulge in your favorite flavors while also being kind to your body. Remember, your journey is about progress, not perfection. Let's make 2026 the year of balance, where you enjoy the foods you love and feel amazing. Please follow for more small, sustainable steps and big results.